Good morning, Year 1. For today's maths lesson, we are learning to understand numbers to 50. For our anchor, Lily is counting forwards from 30 to 42. Has she counted correctly? Okay, so look carefully at how Lily has counted and see if you can spot any mistakes. Pause the video now and have a go. So let's go through it then. 30, 31, 32. She has missed out here, so that's one mistake. And then if we carry on counting, let's see if she's made any others. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's another missing number. Let's carry on. 41, 42. Okay, so she made two mistakes there. She's missed out 32 and 40 when she was counting. And now we have got a number square with numbers from 1 all the way to 50. And the question says, can you find these numbers? And we have got some numbers written as words. So the first one says 33. Now remember, 33 is represented as a 3 and another 3. So that one is here. And the second number we're looking for is 46, which is represented as a 4 and a 6. Next, we're looking for 28, which is a 2 and an 8. And finally, we're looking for 15, which is a 1 and a 5. Don't confuse it with 50, which would be a 5 and a 0. Now we're going to do some counting on a number track, and we have got to begin at 27. And we are counting up to 41. So let's count together. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, this time you're going to have a go. You're going to count on the number track. You're going to begin at 19 and count up to 33. So pause the video now and have a go. And I'm now going to go through it and we can count together. So we're going to begin at 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. This time you're being asked to count on without using a number track. So if you can, cover the number track up and begin at 33, put that in your head, and then count on up to 41. So pause the video now and have a go. Okay, so let's try that together without the number track. So 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. And now we're going to count backwards on a number track. So if we're counting forwards, remember the numbers are getting bigger. We're counting in this direction. But if we're counting backwards, the numbers get smaller and we count the other way. Now we're beginning at 37 and counting back to 29. So let's count together then. So 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, and we're going to stop there. This time you're going to have a go by yourselves of counting backwards on a number track, and you are beginning at 27 and counting back to 19. So pause the video now and have a go. Okay, so if we're starting at 27, let's find that. And then we're counting back to 19, so we are counting this way on the number track. So 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. So this time the question says, can you count backwards without a number track? Begin at 31 and count back to 20. So cover the number track up, put 31 in your head and then count backwards to 20. Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, so let's go through that together then. So starting on 31, let's count backwards. 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. And now we're going to move on to making groups of 10. And here we have got 2 10 frames with some buttons inside. And it says 1 10 frame holds 10 buttons. So we can see here there's a full 10 frame with 10 buttons inside. There is 1 full 10 frame and 7 more buttons. So here are the 7 more in the second 10 frame. How many buttons are there altogether? So if we know that we have got 10 in this 10 frame and 7 in this one, 10 add 7 is 17. So in total there are 17 buttons. This time the question says, how many birds are there? So we've got some birds here sitting on some branches, and then there are some more birds here. So we need to count how many there are on each tree, first of all, and then count the extras. So pause the video now and have a go. So hopefully you've counted that one tree has 10 birds. So this one has 10, this one has another 10, and this one has 10. And there are 3 full trees and 4 more birds. And these are the 4 more. So altogether, we know that there are 34 birds because there are 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So there are 34 birds in total. This time we're looking for how many counters there are. We know that one 10 frame holds 10 counters. And we can see that 3 of the 10 frames are full. So there are 10 here. There are 10 counters here, 10 in this 10 frame, and 10 in this one. And in the final 10 frame, there are 9, or 9 more. Okay, so how many counters are there altogether? Well, there's 10, 20, 30, and another 9, so 39 in total. Okay, so here Lily has made the number 28, and we can see that she has used some blocks. Do you agree? Explain your answer. So to work out if she has really made the number 28, let's count how many blocks she has got. We need to see how many there is in one of these rows first of all. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We know that there are 10 blocks there, and this is the same, so there are another 10 in this one. And then let's see how many more there are in the final row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 2 rows of 10 and 7 more. So 2 rows of 10 is 20, and if we add the 7 on, that's 27. But Lily thinks that she has made the number 28, so we know that Lily must be incorrect. Okay, so Lily is incorrect because there are 2 rows of 10, which makes 20, and there are 7 more. Altogether, there are 27 blocks. Okay. And here Robin is counting forwards. He says, if I count forwards from 27 to 36, I will say 31. Is Robin correct? Prove it. We can see here we've got a number track starting on 27 and ending at 36. So to work out if he will say 31, we can fill in the missing numbers, and that will help us to prove our answer. So 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And we can see that we did say the number 31. So Robin is correct. Because we said the number 31 when counting from 27 to 36. Alicia is counting backwards from 50 to 43 using the digit cards below. So here are the digit cards. Which digit card is missing? Okay, so we can use the digit cards to fill in the gaps in the number track and work out what the missing digit card is. So starting on 50 and we are counting backwards. So if we count back 1, that is 49. And we've got that digit card here, so we can cross that off. Then it's 48. And we've got that one as well. 47. And next would be 46, but we haven't got a 46. But let's just carry on and make sure we've got the others. So it would be 46 here, then 45, and then 44. So we know that the missing number card is 46. Okay, so here are your silver questions for today. For question 1, you are working out how many sweets there are, and then doing the same here by counting the number in the 10 frames. And then for C, you can decide which way was easier to count and explain why. For question 2, you are drawing counters in the 10 frames to show how many pencils there are. Remember, you need to complete one 10 frame before moving on to the next one. So don't start putting any counters in this one until the first one is full. And then for question 3, you need to decide if Rosie will say the number 29 when counting from 21 to 36 and explain how you know. And then for gold, you've got these reasoning and problem solving questions, which we have been through together. So go back to the other examples if you're struggling. And for platinum, you've got some more challenging reasoning and problem solving questions.